All right, I'm here. Here's my live anyway in my YouTube. You know, Mr. Paulo Cruzada. With all due respect, why can't you just learn how to stop accusing Teacher May? I've been talking with Jerick Silva recently. During the time in the morning, I contact who is it? Alfred Eslabra and even Jens Manaid and Stefan Pimentel and the rest of my Spedmotics friends to guard the Teacher May's house. It's simple. Do you remember Roberto? Do you remember the Guerrero family who were guarded in the what's the place? They're guarded in the mansion. They have a bodyguards, and that is for you, Paulo Cruzada. You know Paulo Cruzada. You need to better to realize your mistake for what you did to Teacher May, Teacher Marisa, oh, and not only that, over the last 2024, I was asked by Teacher Gio Malana in Messenger. He asked me last 2024 or last 2025. He's asking me who's Paulo Cruzada. And I respond, Teacher Gio Malana. That was a former student of Teacher May. Teacher Gio Malana reply. I said, I didn't know who Paulo Cruzado is. Oh, you don't know who's Paulo Cruzada. You know Paulo Cruzada. Anyway, you're the one who make a fake account of Teacher Gio Malana, Teacher Vincent Ramos. Don't tell me you're a liar. Everything what you made a lies, it was you. I am suggesting to you, Paulo Cruzada. Why are you always like this? Why you always like you want to to rate somebody, even Teacher May? Oh, if you try to fight at Franco Cagayat, just like I said, Paulo Cruzada. When I was told by Jerick Silva, matindi-tindi ang galit ni Franco Cagayat kay Paulo Cruzada. Sasagasaan ka na, sasagasaan ka niya, like I said. He will ramp you by a vehicle. Franco Cagayat, he learns how to drive a car. He will ramp you up, just like what he did to Sam Season. After Sam Season, Paulo Cruzada is next. You are the main target. Oh, I have lots of Spedmotics who are my ally. Franco Cagayat, Jens Manaid, Alfred Eslabra, and even one of my classmates, Lawrence Villawan. He's also a member of Spedmotics. Oh, they are really afraid of you, Mr. Paulo Cruzada. Me, I'm just gonna say to you, you are very coward. You're fighting to somebody. You're fighting to anybody or any else that you said. Paulo Cruzada, I say to you, you're just like Francis Leo Marcos. And by the way, Paulo Cruzada, I've been told by Jerick Silva, he said to me in Tagalog, antayin mo na lang si Sophia Ahmad Sultan. Ahmad Sultan will finish the Ramadan. and and she will going to start to have a subpoena against Paulo Cruzada. You will get a subpoena, Paulo Cruzada. You should be afraid of us. You should never be afraid. I mean, I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of anybody. Oh, if you were afraid, who will be afraid that? Uh, okay, here we go. For you, Paulo Cruzada, I will not go to forgive you. to forgive you. If you want to provoke yourself, go to provoke anybody. They don't really like what you're doing. Me, I have never want to provoke Paulo Cruzado. He started all the provocation. He started all the what he missed. He's really worse than Mark Cruz. He's really worse than um, um, Gina Sejo. Oh, you remember Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo? They still kept attacking everyone, even Jim Casandil, the uncle of Paula Nunez. I'm not particular of this. What is this? Bomb joke, playing about terrorist wannabe, playing about nonsense. This is better for you, Paulo Cruzada. When Josh Gozo says, tutukin ang shotgun sa muka ni Paulo Cruzada. Oh, you know what's the words that he said? Because you are very an asshole, Paulo Cruzada. You're you are an abnormal person. I didn't say that to Kuya Rodelio Daguman, na. I didn't say that to Wawel Romero. No, I say that to Paulo Cruzada. He's really abnormal.